Hey there! Let's work on a simple yet effective way to make your projects pop by adding graphic elements to display dimensions of objects. Adding these visual elements not only enhances the clarity of your designs, but also provides an interactive and informative experience for viewers. Start by creating some 2D graphics to represent the dimensions. You can use your favorite design software for this. We used Figma. Once you're done, import the JPEG PNG image into the project. The graphics will then be imported as a plane, and you'll likely have to tweak their orientation and adjust their scale so it matches the shape of the object. For easier navigation, switch to the top-down perspective by using the keyboard shortcut, Tab. This view will help you align and position your dimension planes more accurately. Additionally, if you don't want the graphic to reflect the environment and light, increase the roughness of the graphic material to 100%. Do this for all the dimensions you want to show off. Now, here's a neat trick. We're going to group and hide these dimensions by default. Why? Because we want to create a little interactivity. We'll use a hotspot as our trigger point. Place it somewhere obvious in your scene. Okay, time for the interactions. First, create a new interaction and rename it. Now, use the on-click trigger, targeting the hotspot. In the actions, choose Visibility. Set the control to Show, and then choose the Dimensions group as a target object. Open the preview mode and preview the interaction. Let's make it even smoother. We'll set it up so that clicking anywhere else in the scene also hides the dimensions. Create another interaction that says, if I click on the background while the dimensions are visible, hide them. Set the trigger as on-click background. With the visibility action, set the action to hide the dimensions. And there you have it. You've just leveled up your Vectary skills. Give it a try and see how it transforms your work.